is our newest resident here at Open Door Bird Sanctuary. His name is Mesa and he is a golden eagle. New this year we're having 2 winter open days. One is on Saturday, February 13th, and one is on Saturday, March 13th. And we're going to be open to the public from 11 a.m. until 3 p.m. We're going to have trail hikes. All the birds are out on exhibit in their aviaries, and it'll be people's first chance to really get a chance to meet Mesa up close and personal. We're going to have a big bonfire going, hot chocolate and hot coffee and things like that to stay warm. So it's going to be a fun day, and it's only $3. So a very affordable way to get out in nature on a beautiful winter day and enjoy a little bit more of Door County.